Hi, David.
Hi, Emma. It's so nice to see you.
It's nice to see you too. How are you today?
I'm doing very well. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. The weather is perfect today.
I agree. I wanted to spend some time outside.
Me too. That's why I came to this coffee shop.
It's one of my favorite places.
Mine too. The coffee here is always fresh.
And the people are very friendly.
Shall we go inside?
Yes, let's go. They walk inside.
Wow. It isn't very busy today.
That's nice. We can choose any table.
How about the table by the window?
That's perfect. They sit down.
Would you like coffee or tea today?
I think I'll have a cappuccino.
Good choice.
What about you?
I'll have a black coffee.
Do you always drink black coffee?
Almost every day.
Why do you like it?
I like the strong taste.
I usually drink coffee with milk.
That's good too.
A server comes to the table. Hello, welcome. What would you like to order? I'd like a medium cappuccino, please. Certainly. I'd like a medium black coffee, please. Would you like anything to eat? Yes, I'd like a blueberry muffin. I'll have a cheese sandwich. Anything else? No, thank you.
That's all.
Great. I'll bring your order soon. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
The server leaves. So, how has your week been?
It's been busy.
Really? What happened?
I've had a lot of work.
Were you working late?
Yes, I stayed at the office until 8 p.m. almost every day.
That sounds tiring.
It was, but I finished an important project yesterday.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm happy it's finished.
Now you can relax.
Exactly. That's why I called you yesterday.
I'm glad you did.
What about your week?
Mine was busy too, but in a different way.
Tell me about it.
My parents came to visit me.
That's wonderful.
Yes, we spent a lot of time together.
Where did you go?
We visited the city museum.
I've never been there.
You should visit. It's very interesting.
What did you see?
We saw old paintings, beautiful sculptures, and local history exhibits.
That sounds fun.
It really was.
Did you take any pictures?
Yes, I took many photos.
I'd love to see them later.
Of course, I'll show you. The server returns with their order. Here's your cappuccino. Thank you. And your black coffee. Thanks. Your muffin and sandwich. Everything looks delicious.
It smells amazing.
Enjoy your meal. Thank you.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi, David.
Hi, Emma. It's so nice